And think, are you really well positioned to meet these trends? Look for evidence of black swans. Of course, a black swan is an unlikely but devastating event, just like the COVID-19 pandemic. Try to identify all the relevant risks, no matter how remote. A good example from IMD, where I work, is that the pandemic taught us something, that a black swan is the Geneva airport. If the Geneva airport is closed, that's really bad for us, and it's outside of our control. Also, keep an eye out for gray rhinos. Like black swans, gray rhinos are also highly impactful events, but they're right in front of you. You just don't know when they're going to charge. Examples are climate change, a global recession, a major terrorist event, an environmental catastrophe such as a volcanic eruption, a war, or other global health crisis. These are all going to happen, it's just a matter of time, and we just don't know when. Take a close look at what your competitors are doing, your customers and partners. Are you ahead or are you behind? And finally, focus on disruption, not disruptors. Disruptors are the companies that are doing the disruption, digital giants, for example. But what you really need to understand is what is the fundamental disruption that's underpinning what they're doing, and how can you do it better than they can? Second, reframe communication to accentuate positive aspects of disruption. There's a nice quote from Peter Fuda, and he says, "In the land of burning fires, there's normally a lot of pyromaniacs." So it's useful to shift the narrative from burning platforms to burning ambitions. You can paint a picture of a better future fueled by digital. And ask yourselves questions like, what if we had the quality of service of Apple Store sales agents? What if we could provide the seamless user experience of an Uber? What if we could provide the quality of an Audi? And what if we could sell our products and services on a subscription basis like Netflix does? And then you can create a working group to envision what this future might look like for you.